Let's go outside. Yes, go outside, Manny. Let's go outside. Hey, Manny, let's go outside.
It's like that laughing baby, you know, where on that video where the kid's like, have you seen that? Look up laughing baby on YouTube. It's so funny. This kid's like, he just starts giggling because the guy like makes these boing sounds or whatever, and the kid just starts squealing like that.
Ian just like angry. You're so cute.
What is that face?
Ian just smacks him with the side of his head, like,
Oh, funny.
You guys got to go outside? You go outside?
Skylar's even watching him.
Ian must be happy because he never actually plays with Manny that much. He just goes, alright, leave me alone.